Have you been stung by poison ivy or any other poisonous plant? Get instant relief by the time you get to a doctor by using these simple essential oils. All of the essential oils that we will talk about today are naturally anti-inflammatory and help reduce swelling and pain so that it provides you relief till the time you seek medical help. But before we proceed, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel so that the YouTube algorithm picks up the video and helps us share this information. So first things first, you just got stung by poison ivy. So it's always important to first flush the area with lots of cold water. This will help remove any kind of water-soluble plant particles that may cause further irritation to your skin and helps us set the base for further natural treatment with essential oils. The next step is to use any of the essential oils that I will list right now. Put a few drops in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and apply to the area that just got stung. It's that simple. So which are these essential oils, you ask? Let's start. Number 1, lavender. Next comes helichrysum. After that, the recommended essential oil is Roman chamomile. Then we have tea tree, geranium, cypress, and peppermint. So all you have to do is put a few drops of these, 3 to 5 drops is the recommended dose, in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or coconut oil, whichever you have handy, and apply generously on the affected area. And most importantly, do not scratch, because scratching will make it worse. For most people, any of the above oils or a combination of these will work just fine to reduce their symptoms and provide relief till the time the skin heals itself over 2 to 3 weeks. But if you are still unable to bear the discomfort, then it's recommended to seek medical intervention and traditional allopathic treatment. So this was a simple way how you can use essential oils to get natural relief if you've been stung by poison ivy or any other poisonous plant and help your skin heal itself over 2 to 3 weeks. So I hope this information was useful to you, and if it was, and if you have ever been stung by poison ivy in the past and you have used essential oils, please comment in the section below so that we know that we are reaching the right audience. And if you have any feedback or any experience that you would like to share with us, please do that as well. So thank you, and always remember, keep it natural.